with WTI. If you're looking for that ideal gift for this winter, I want to show you this heating pad I have here with me. This UTK weighted heating pad for neck and shoulder has been wonderful. I had COVID and you get that body aching that it's so frustrating. Well, this heated pad really reduced all that pain I was going through. My husband loves using this, especially since he works in construction and he has body aching at times. And this will definitely relax those muscles and reduce the pain. I also love this when I have those menstrual cramps that nothing can take away. This is so soothing, so comforting. You're gonna love it. There's many things I love about this heating pad by UTK. I love that the extension cord is super long. It's super easy to operate. You can set it up for 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes, and you can choose the heating temperature. And of course, this is so soft and gentle on your skin. When you put this on, you're not going to want to take it off. This heating pad will not disappoint you. As you can see, this heating pad, it's not only for her, but it's also for him. I love everything about it, and I know you will too, and that is my point of view.